Hello students and welcome to the video class of the chapter determinants for class 12 both science and commerce. Today I am going to discuss the introduction of the determinants and some basic concepts only. Now introduction. Let us solve a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is equation 1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is equation 2. This can be solved by any one of the method, that is like elimination method, and another method is substitution method, and another method is cross multiplication method. We can do using any method. Let us solve using elimination method. Means we have to cancel x term or y term first. First, suppose we have to cancel y term. So this is b1 and this is b2. Equation 1 multiplied by b2 and equation 2 multiplied by b1. Then subtract. Then y term was cancelled and the value of x is obtained. Similarly, if equation 1 is multiplied by a2 and equation 2 is multiplied by a1, then subtract, then x terms goes cancel and we can find the value of y. Let's solve using elimination method. Okay, how can it solve? First, cancel y term, means here b into b1 into y, here b2 into y. So if these two terms are equal and then subtract, then y term will be cancelled out. So equation 1 into what? Here b1 present, here b2 present. So equation 1 into b2, what will be happened? This will be a1 b2 into x plus b1 b2 into y is equal to c1 b2. Clear? And this is b1 b2 and here b2 present. So you have to make it equal to b1 b2, here b2 present. So multiply equation 2 by 1. Sorry, equation 2 by b1. Equation 2 into b1. What will happen? This is a2 into b1 x plus b1 into b2 y is equal to c2 into b1. Then subtract. Then this minus, this minus, this minus. So this is equal, same term goes cancel, and here a1 b2 x minus a2 b1 x is equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1. So take x common, a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1. That implies x is equal to c1 b2 minus c2 b1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is value of x. Now to find value of b. Now to find, suppose value of, this is value of x. Now to find value of y. We have the equations. a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. This is equation 1. a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. This is equation 2. Now try to cancel x term. Here a1 present, here a2 present. So equation 1 into a2, then equation 2 into a1. Make equation 1 into A2. What will happen? This is A1 A2x plus A1 B1 A1 A2 here A2 B1 y, and this is C1 A2, and equation 2 into what? Equation 2 into A1. This is equal to, here A2 present, so A1 A2 x plus multiplied by A1, here B2 present, A1 B2 into y, this is C2 into A1. Now subtract, this will be minus, this will be minus, this will be minus. This term goes cancel. Here present A2 B1 into y minus A1 B2 into y is equal to C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Correct. And this is equal to what? Y into A2 B1 minus A1 B2 is equal to, here what is here, C1 A2 or A2 C1, we can write C1 A2 minus C2 A1. Now this will be y is equal to what? C1 A2 minus C2 A1 by A2 minus B1 minus A1 B2, and this can be, take minus common from here, minus A1 C2 minus A2 C1 divided by minus common A1 B2 minus A2 B1. So minus goes cancel. Now y is equal to what? Now y is equal to, here y is equal to A1 C2 minus A2 C1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is value of y. In both x and y, the denominator means, this is denominator, pi by 3, this is numerator and this is denominator. This is denominator. A by b, A is numerator, B is denominator. Clear? Fraction p by q, p is numerator and the lower number is called denominator. In both cases x and y, the denominator A1 B2 minus A2 B1, here A1 B2 minus A2. It depends on the values of x and y 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 depends on the denominator A1 B2 minus A2 B1. If A1 B2 minus A2 B1 not equal to 0, then x and y can be determined. This values of x and y can be determined if this not equal to 0. And A1 B2 minus A2 B1, A1 B2 minus A2 B1 can be written as this is determinator symbol A1 B1 A2 B2. This is called this is called, since it determines the value, since it determines the values of the variable, so it is called the determinant of order 2, because here number of rows is equal to, this is row and this is row, so number of row is equal to 2, and this is column and this is column, so number of column is also 2. If there are 2 rows and 2 columns, then the determinant is called second order determinant, or the determinant of order 2 into 2 by 2. This can be read as not 2 into 2, this can be read as 2 by 2. Correct? Now definition of determinants. Definition: if n square number of elements are arranged, n square number of elements are arranged, n square number of elements are arranged in n rows and n columns between 2 vertical bars. 2 vertical bars means this 2 vertical bars is called the determinants of order n by n, or determinants of order n. Notes: in determinants there are equal number of rows and columns. Equal number of rows and columns. Examples. Suppose this is A. This is a determinant of order 1, because there is single row, single column. Number 2, A1, B1, A2, B2. Number of rows. This is row and this is row and this is column and this is column. So this is a determinant of order 2. Like this: A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is row 1 and this is row 2. This is row 1 and this is row 2 and this is row 3, and this is column 1 and this is column 2 and this is column 3. So there are 3 rows and 3 columns. It is a third order determinant. Clear? Rows and columns of determinants, of a determinant. Rows and columns of a determinant. The horizontal elements form a row and vertical elements form a column. Here, this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. This is horizontal. This is row 1 denoted by R1. This is row 2 denoted by R2, and this is row 3 denoted by R3, and this is column 1 denoted by C1, and this is column 2 denoted by C2, and this is column 3 denoted by C3. Clear? Now general element of the determinant. General element of the determinant. General element of the determinant. Aij. General element of the determinant. Aij. Small aij. This is elements belong to first row and ith row and jth column. For example, what is meaning of A 2 3? First one is row number, second one is column number. 2 3 means second row, third column. Elements belong to second row and third column. First number indicates number of row number, and second indicates column number. For you are given 1 3. Suppose A 3 1. This is element belong to third row and first column. Clear? Question: what is the general form of a determinant of order 2? So answer is in order 2 determinants. In second determinant there are how many number of elements? 4 elements. Number of row is equal to number of column is equal to, so number of elements is equal to 2 into 2, 4 elements. So mark 4 places for 4 elements. Write 4 places for 4 elements. This is first row and first column, so this will be A11, element of first row, first column. And this is first row and which column? Second column. First row, second column. And this is second row. Number of column here 1. And this is what? Second row, second column. So A22. This is the general form of the determinant of order 2. Now, what is the general form of the determinant of order 3? What is the general form of the determinant of order 2? This is order 2. And another question: what is the general form of? What is the general form of the determinants of order 3. So answer is what? For order 3 determinant there are 9 elements. Mark the 9 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and this is first row, first column, A1, 1. This is 1, 2, first row, second column, and this is first row, third column. This is second row, 2, first column. This is second row, second column, 2, 2, and second row, third column. So write here A, and this is third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column. This is A31, A. Correct. Notes: if the order of the determinants, if the order of the determinants is n, then number of elements is equal to n square. For example, what is the number of elements of the determinants of the fourth order determinant? Fourth order determinant. So what is answer? That is equal to number of elements of fourth order determinant is equal to 4 square, that is equal to 16. These are the fundamentals of the determinants and different terminology of the determinant and fundamental concept of the determinant. Okay, then in next class we will read how to find the value of determinant of different order for first order, second order, third order in our syllabus up to third order. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.